Hey guys, what is going on? Profitably is here, founder of Bitcoin's Walls Club system, and this is Today in Crypto Show. I want to talk to you a little bit today about the Bitcoin Cash fork because this is important, and unlike some other forks in the past, this is something that you want to pay attention to. But first of all, let's take a look at the overall market. We are up by $3 billion from the last day or two. We're at $211 billion. Pretty much a lot of the coins today are up. Bitcoin is up, and just like I told you in the last live stream about Bitmex CEO telling that Bitcoin is going to drop to $2,000, as you can see, it is gone up by 0.74% in the last day. So now it's trading around $6,420. Ethereum is up 4%. Ripple 1.59, Bitcoin Cash 4%, but yesterday it was up way more than that, and it actually surged. If you take a look at Bitcoin Cash over the last 2 days, from November the 2nd, it has quite a significant rally over here, about 30%. You know, it was trading about $420 over here. To 500, it went to $580 for Bitcoin Cash. Now, why is such a huge jump in such a short period of time, in 2 days? For two things. Binance announced 3 days ago that it will support the upcoming Bitcoin Cash hard fork. So, as you know, Bitcoin Cash in itself is a hard fork of Bitcoin back in August 2017. They claim they are the Satoshi vision, right? So now Craig Wright, who is leading one of the teams in Bitcoin Cash, is not talking anymore to Roger Ver, and the other team. So he is going to create his own version of the real, like he claims, the real version of Bitcoin Cash. So they have quite misalignment there and disagreement, and of course it's involved a lot of money as well. We have Craig Wright on one side, we have Bitmain, who hold a vast amount of Bitcoin Cash, that just recently announced they're going to do an IPO, initial public offering with Bitmain, and they hold a lot of Bitcoin Cash, so that also helped to surge the price. And basically what it means is everybody that holds Bitcoin Cash inside their wallet is going to have now 2 coins, right? And everybody loves free coins, right? Don't you? Everybody loves free coins, and that's why people are trading their Bitcoin for Bitcoin Cash. They want more Bitcoin Cash just for that reason, that because of on November 15th they don't want to miss out on the on the hard fork and have free coins in their account. And to top it off, Binance is fully supporting this hard fork. As you know, Binance is one of the biggest exchanges out there. So we still have about 10 days up until this moment for Bitcoin Cash, for people to grab their Bitcoin Cash and have it inside their Binance account. Also, Coinbase announced that they're going to be supporting the scheduled hard fork. So those two news by themselves, Binance and Coinbase, absolutely skyrocketed Bitcoin Cash, where we are seeing on a daily chart over here. Basically a rise like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take a look at the candles. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Now we do have a little correction right now because it jumped so high over here, but about 30%. So we do have a little correction, but how high it is actually going to go from this point? Right, that's the question. And if we take a look at another chart, let's go to CoinG and Bitcoin Cash. Let's choose this market over here, and on a weekly. On a bigger picture, guys, you know, Bitcoin Cash was kind of down since like May, since May this year. So it was on a downtrend, hit this low point of about 0.065, and then it surged like this, right? But it was trading over here to 0.18 Bitcoin. And over here we have a point of 0.117, right? And here we have a point of 0.001. So actually, if we take a look on a daily, we have several points over here. Maybe it will go as high as this line. Maybe it will go as high as this line over here. Maybe it will go even as high as this one. So I don't know how high it will go, but we still have until November 15th, which is right about this time over here. You know, maybe it will reach this point. So we still have, I believe, room for growth for Bitcoin Cash. It might do a little bit correction over here shortly, like this, and then surge all the way somewhere here. Right, so according to we actually started forming on a daily one, on an hourly one, we started forming a little line, as you can see over here, that I drew over here. So this line over here can take us, if we draw it all out, to November 15th, if we will support this line right about here. So we can be looking somewhere at 0.12 for Bitcoin Cash, and then it will drop, right, like everything. It will drop, and probably be a violent drop from this point after the hard fork. Right, people will be dumping, but until that time, people will be accumulating Bitcoin Cash. That's what I'm seeing, and they want to get the free tokens. You know, that's the main reason behind this. So what you need to do is either hold Bitcoin Cash on Binance or hold Bitcoin Cash on Coinbase, and you'll be able, I mean, or I don't know if Trezor even support. You need to find out if Trezor supports the Bitcoin Cash hard fork. So you need to find that out from Trezor itself. Maybe ask Trezor. I don't know if they announced anything about that yet. Probably not. But we'll see if they will support it. But either way, Binance supports it. So the best thing to do, like what I'll be doing for myself and the hedge fund that we have for my clients, is trading on Bitmex, taking advantage of the situation on the Bitcoin Cash, and also you know, just be careful with when to you know, not buying in too late. You know, don't buy like 5 days or just a couple days before the hard fork and FOMO in. Okay, just be careful with that. And the next best thing to do is just buy some Bitcoin Cash if you want to, and hold it and in your Binance wallet, and get some free coins of Bitcoin Cash. So that's what I wanted to do, a little update, and that's what I wanted to talk about today in our crypto show. And looking forward for an amazing week. Have a blessed week, everybody, and I'll update you with new trainings. We'll do one live coaching tomorrow at about noon Eastern time. So I'll be announcing that inside our group. Looking forward for that, and until then,